Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura N5 espresso machine. Now this machine needed a lot of work, and that was because it was in very bad condition, especially at the brew unit of the machine itself. As you can see over here, this is exactly when we opened up the machine, and there was a lot of coffee build-up all around the machine, as well as a couple of the things that we found. Some all around some of these areas, some electronic components, especially around the grinder. There were some spider webs, there were some really terrible things in there. The brew unit, as you can see, there's some mold building up at the bottom of the machine, and yeah, you can see the close up over here. That's all the coffee, that's the mold over there, and all the coffee buildup that is being just sitting in this brew unit for a while. As you can kind of see on that coffee and mold all together. There were big chunks of coffee grounds around the brew unit, and it was preventing the brew unit from really working the way it's supposed to. You can kind of see some of the stuff that it was inside the brew unit. This is where the coffee actually ends up, and this is where it gets pushed into the spouts. So coffee passes through here a lot, and you can see a bunch of buildup right there. There were all other things that we found around the machine, and yeah, it was in really bad condition. Definitely desperately needed tune-up, as you can totally see right here. It really needed tune-up, especially around the tray, especially around the entire inside of the machine. It was in really bad condition. But thankfully, we here at Kanen Coffee, we were able to completely clean up everything, and as you can see, we clean up the entire case of the machine, remove the mold, remove the spider webs, soak the entire brew unit into a coffee solution, as well as relubricated, replace some of the O-rings of the brew unit as well, and just gave it a good clean. As you can see, that's the older part. That's the other part that was here. Yeah, that's the part over here, and as you can see, it was really bad compared to how it turned out. And yeah, just looking really great to how it was. It definitely needed a tune-up, this machine. So starting one coffee, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick a really long enough cup, otherwise you're gonna just see this thing just overflowing. We do not change the settings of the quantity settings of the machine, so it's gonna be the exactly same way as the customer has it. And as you can see, nice steady flow coming out of the machine, looking really great. Really great quantity, 2 ounces, excellent crema on the top, working extremely good, and hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, looking great. Let me see if I can get the steam. There you go. Once it heats up on the thermal block, we're gonna see some steam coming out over here. As I said, we do not have the steamer one of the machine, and we do not have also the hopper, but the hopper doesn't really interfere with the steamer, so we won't be able to see nice steady steam coming out of the machine, as we do not have that little piece. Now that is ready, we can set the steamer, and as I said, it is going to be a little messy as we do not have that little piece, but as you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the machine, really good pressure, excellent temperature, working really well. And there you have it, Jura N5 clean up and tune up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.